Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Apify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide channel on Telegram. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Telegram app. Now simply swipe left to the channel which you want to hide. When you do swipe left, you'll see this kind of option. You'll see archive, delete and mute option. In order to hide it, tap on archive. So your chat is archived but it is not deleted. To delete it, again swipe left to archive chats and again swipe left to archive chats. You need to swipe left twice. When you swipe left for twice, then your archive chats will be hidden. So in this way you can hide your chats on Telegram, but if you want to get these chats back, then simply scroll down, then it will appear in this way. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.